In this video, we're going to learn about how to solve simple linear equations. So let's say we have an equation of 3x is equal to 9. This is simply a simple linear equation with one unknown variable, and the variable is x. So to solve this, we simply just say 3x divided by 3, and then there is 9 divided by 3. So 3 cancels out 3, and then we have x is equal to, we know that 9 divided by 3 is 3. So this is just a simple problem or a simple form of linear equations. Okay, so let's take a more complex form. So we have 11x plus 20 is equal to 22 plus 9x. Now to solve this problem, we want to identify how many variable unknown we have. So in this case, we have just one. Okay, and then we have constants. So the very first step to take is to move the variables to one side. So we move all the x's to one side of the equation, and then move all the constants to the other side of the equation. So next up, we have 11x, moving 9x towards this side. 9x was positive here, so if you're moving it over to this side, it becomes negative. So this is minus 9x, and then this is equal to 22, which is constant here. And then we are moving 20 over to this side, becomes minus 20. So this is minus 20. Okay, and then we know that 11x minus 9x is 2x, which is equal to 22 minus 20 is 2. Okay, so dividing both sides by 2, we have x is equal to 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. So most times when you solve linear equations, I advise that you substitute the answers into the original question to find out whether the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So let's do it for this problem. Here we have 11. We substitute the value of x immediately. So 11 open brackets 1 plus 20. So this is equal to 22 plus 9 open brackets 1. Okay, so 11 times 1 is 11 plus 20. So this is 22 plus 9. 9 times 1 is 9. Okay, so we know that 11 plus 20 is 31, which is equal to 22 plus 9 is also 31. So this simply means that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So therefore our answer is correct. In cases where your left hand side is not equal to your right hand side, your answer is wrong. So you might need to check back and find your error. So let's take another example again. Say we have something like 6x plus 7 plus 5x is equal to 30 plus 2x. Okay, so you can pause the video and try to solve this one out yourself. Okay, so like we did before, we're simply just going to collect like terms. Okay, so we're going to move the x variables to one side and the constant variables to the other side. So this is simply saying 6x plus 5x. So we are moving the 2x over to this side, plus 2x becomes negative. So this is minus 2x, which is equal to 30. As 7 is plus 7 is going over to the other side, it becomes minus 7. So the 6x plus 5x is 11 minus 2x, which is 9x. So we have 30 minus 7 is 23. Okay, so dividing both sides by 9, we have x is equal to 23 over 9. So that's the value of x. You can check the left hand side equals right hand side. Okay, so that's the how to solve simple linear equations. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. It helps. Thanks for watching again.